Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Kegon's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious, flavorful crab cake recipe. Stay tuned. Yes guys, so this is the crab meat that I'll be using for today's recipe. This is claw meat. I got it at my local public supermarket. Alright, so we're gonna pop that bad boy open. And this is 8 ounces just to be exact, right? Dump it in a bowl. And then I'm gonna let my little princess Kaylee take it over. She's gonna dice the onion, scallion, bell peppers, and the other ingredients. So take over. Alright guys, so we're going to start this recipe off by adding our seasoning. So we're going to add some Old Bay seasoning, guys. We're going to add about a tablespoon of Old Bay. Not too much. Okay, that's good. That's about a tablespoon. We're measuring with our eyes right now. Alright. We're going to add some sazon seasoning. This is about a teaspoon, to be exact. We're gonna add some hot sauce. Add about 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, guys. Add some Dijon mustard. 2 tablespoons. 1 egg. And then we're going to add our fresh chopped ingredients. All right. There we go. Thank you. Add a little bit of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And a little bit more lemon juice. Squeeze it just like that. We're gonna add some saltine crackers, guys. You can use breadcrumbs if you want, or crackers. Crush it up a little bit. All right, time to get our hands messy. Just go ahead and combine all these lovely ingredients, guys. And then we're going to start, forming our crab cakes. And the consistency you're looking for, guys, is not supposed to be too wet and it's not supposed to be too dry. Just right, just in between. All right, so now we're going to add a little bit more crackers just to hold the crab cakes together. There you go. It's coming along.
Right now I'm forming the crab cakes.
make them similar to this one, so a little bit bigger. Bigger than that. So grab like maybe a decent amount. A little bit more. Yeah, and that's good. You just gotta make it identical to that one.
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, so right now we're going to turn our stove to about a medium-high heat. We're going to add a few tablespoons of olive oil. I'll say about 3 tablespoons. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of salted butter. Now once the butter is fully melted and the pot is nice and hot, then we're going to start searing, you know, the crab cakes or crab meat. Smelling good, guys. So we're gonna sear our crab meat for about 3 minutes per side, and then we're gonna toss it in the oven for another 5 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Stay tuned. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and flip our crab cakes. Looking beautiful, guys. Smelling good. Look at that.
Right now I'm going to be making a spicy garlic sauce. We have mayo, hot sauce, oranges, and garlic. Now we're going to mix our sauce all together.
I'm also going to add a little pinch of Old Bay seasoning. Alright guys, so after baking my crab cake for about 5 minutes in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, this is how they're looking. They're looking nice, you know, flavorful, beautiful right now, guys. So we're going to add our sauce that we just made to a plate, add the crab cake on top, and we should be good. Stay tuned. Top it off with a little bit of green onions, guys. Just like that. All right, so now we're gonna do a quick taste test and I'll let you know how it is. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so time for that taste test. My favorite part of making these lovely YouTube videos. So I'm gonna try some with the sauce and then I'll try some without the sauce.
It is good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Lovely. And you're tasting that spice from the habanero pepper, right? That nice kick. Yep. Wow. This is good. Oh. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you give this?
A 9.
A 9? Or a 9 and out of 10?
I don't know.
You sure?
Yes.
Alright. Me, I would give it a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, she said 9 out of 10. That's still passing grade, right? So, wow. If you enjoyed watching this video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share. Spice. Woo. Oh my God, it's so good. Alright guys, so like I said, if you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.